My video guide will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website adrafejpb.com. adrafejpb.com. It's really hard to even properly pronounce the name of this website, and of course it does not make any sense at all. The website is malicious because it tries to infect your browser with the feature of permanent push notifications. It may tell you that you need to click on the special allow button in order to continue watching some movie. But in reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that allow button, their browser gets almost immediately hijacked and infected. People start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. Plus, they may be forwarded to some other questionable content periodically. So clicking on allow is a serious mistake that would lead to a lot of troubles. If you have done that, if you have clicked on the allow button, you need to immediately implement some fixes. Go to the menu, go to settings, scroll down to privacy and security, choose site settings, and find the special area called notifications. Research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications and delete any malicious sites that cause such troubles on your screen. Be sure to get rid of all these malicious pages. I would also strongly advise that you perform additional investigation of your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then researching your system with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.